Such a unique day out here in Port Canaveral today. I can't wait to bring it to you. Full day of ship spotting. It's dark now. Let's see what time it is. Here she comes now, Oasis of the Seas on a port of call here in Port Canaveral. Be back out to watch her leave too. So we're getting the arrival of Oasis of the Seas, departure of Oasis of the Seas. We'll see Harmony leaving today. We'll see Carnival Freedom leaving for the last time to get that whale tail fixed. All right, yep, they're definitely docking this way. So later tonight, our view will be pretty cool. It'll be from the aft side, where we're waiting to live stream Harmony and Carnival Freedom. I'm gonna try to figure out where they're gonna shoot the lines over with. You know, they shoot them suckers over there. I found that out. And they'll be shooting them out here towards these guys, the linemans. Shot from right here. And now it's going over to here. I'm gonna hurry up and boogie on over to the helicopter so we can go fly above these ships right now. And we'll see you later, Oasis. That's right, so we're gonna fly over all 3 of the cruise ships in Port Canaveral right now. Come with me, everybody. enjoyed it. We're gonna keep it going. Earlier today I was flying over these cruise ships, beautiful weather, and now here we are around 3 o'clock, and look at it. It's a unique day out here for sure. Last Carnival Freedom sail away. Whale Tail S2 Oasis ships. Michael, my man, thank you. $17 for 17K. Congrats, Mayor Chase and Lady Jess. Thanks for what you do. Thank you, Michael, and thank you, Adelita. So kind, always so good to us here. I truly appreciate you. Oh, yeah, there it is. Wink is there. Come on, I see you. Yes. We got you. Now, if you could go circle wave on that rock wall for us, Wink, I'd appreciate you. Thank you so much. I thought it was someone trolling us. Here it is. Can't really hear Oasis. I think it's real cool when they pass each other, you can hear them all yelling. I see you up there. Standing tall for that circle wave. I see you. Yeah. Gotcha. I like that shirt. That's a cruising shirt if I've ever seen one. Yeah, those is good ones too. Get it. Get it. See to the left and by the... I think that's the ladder. Y'all got in a tough spot for me to see you. There we go. I'm still looking. We're still looking. Look at it. Look at Harmony. Oh, I love it so much. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. I'm hitting that circle way back to you. We're hitting that circle way back to you. Oh, I left you. Hold on. Awesome. Thank you so much, Cruise fam. Circle wavers everywhere. Harmony of the seas. Looks like they're finally using the crane for whatever they were doing. Or am I crazy? Is that thing getting lifted up right there? What they pulling out? Is that what the spark plugs look like on a cruise ship? Cruise fam, you seeing this? And I hope that's the orange shirt and not butt cheeks showing. Cruise fam, is that the butt cheeks or is that the shirt? I know it's this shirt. I'm kidding, IRL. All right, y'all. Let's see what they're doing with that. Oh, the spark plug's back down. Spark plug's back down. And so usually on the Carnival ships up here, it looks like a whale's tail. Oops, sorry. This thing. I need a cruise. Bon voyage, Miss Freedom. Go get that thing fixed. Aussie Peace, the lost to tell a long time ago, a couple years ago. Yeah, they're cheering when they pass. I love that. A lot of times people on the ships from the deck to deck, they'll like cheer and wave. I see these circle wavers. I got you, circle wavers. We got a horn. Yeah, I see those circle wavers up there. I ain't missing you. I got you up there. I'll get you again. Peace and love. Appreciate your red shirt right there. Hand up in the air. I see you. See you, my friends. There's that whale tail. Let's one last time, cruise fam. Let's get that tail in there one time. Look at that thing. Look at that thing. Now we're just going to hit this top row. If you're sailing out of here today, I got you one way or another. I don't want to miss anybody. Bon voyage, everybody. Have a safe cruise out there, truly. I hope y'all love it. Oh, yeah, I see you back there. That's music worthy right there. Come on. Look at this one. I see you. Yeah. I got you. Oh, yeah, they're looking with the binoculars, and they're like, no, that guy's not athletic built and does not look like he plays sports. Ooh, it's been a long day, everybody, but finally, it's time. Oasis of the Seas to sail out of here. everybody. I got here early, about 10:30 a.m. today. Full day of ship spotting. It's dark now. Let's see what time it is. Hope you enjoyed that nighttime sail away Oasis of the Seas. It's about 8:20 p.m. now. Oasis is out of here. I'm done. I hope you enjoyed it. Appreciate each and every one of you. I'll see you on the next one.